Give me በዚህ ጋር ዳቦ ተቀየርክ
Let me see how you're seasoning it.
When I cut it.
You're seasoning it, right?
Like this.
ያው ለዳቦ አምጣላቸው ዳቦ ምንም የለም አራስ ለቀናት እንጀራ ይደረግ
ሲቢት አለ እንደ ክትፎ በሸክላ አዘዝን እና ሌላ ሸክላ ተጨመረላችሁ ከሱ በፊት አንድ ግማሽ ሸክላ ጥብስ ጥቢቱ ቀስ ይበል
Yo, what's up? These guys are actually out here eating some raw meat, real raw meat. I'm like, nah.
You're not gonna eat?
Let's eat fast. I'll do the intro later. I'll eat. There's no bread, right?
No bread. Just eat meat. Wherever, yeah. Let's put it inside. Don't show it too much.
Don't you? You don't eat from me?
ከኛ ጋር ሸለም ነበር ሸክላ ጥብስ
He brought spice?
Yeah, he brought.
Sometimes it gets becoming harder and harder.
Because I feel like this is wasting.
Wow.
This is already very good meat.
Just like cooking. Yeah.
No! Why add oil? This is way healthier.
So much healthier.
Much healthier.
Then Choma.
I don't know about the taste, but
Yeah?
I swear to God, bro.
You don't eat too? What?
Sorry, come on.
100?
Never I used to never eat and then I made him used to it.
It's an acquired taste.
Try the spice of this. Won't hurt you.
I don't want to spice things in my life, you know?
It's very spicy.
Yeah, good.
Keep doing it.
I'm telling you it's spicy.
I'm in love with the shakla.
But it's very different, you know?
Really nice.
Which one? It's the same as the other one, you know?
No, I haven't tried that.
But try it with the meat. Try it with the meat also.
Yeah.
Like that. The guy brought you guys bread.
Thank you. It's so hard for me to get used to injera. So we actually ordered some bread here. So this
Not the bread that you used.
it's not the bread that I'm used to, but it's okay. I'll go with this.
You were complaining?
It's just
They sell tea. It's good bread.
That means it's good. It's better with the injera.
They sell beer here. They sell beer.
Yeah. But no drink juice. I don't want to.
This is basically helps.
This one is good for digestion. I'm just on this. Yeah.
Mandenga shit at this restaurant. The soft, the double, the buy from outside.
I know. I have never eaten this. So this is my first time trying.
You want to switch?
No.
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 Finish this.
Let's finish this one.
If this doesn't finish, you'll become
dry. So it's cooking, you know, lab.
She just learns that you don't need senses.
I know.
Who recommended it? Who recommended it?
No, before I remember someone saying something about this place. I don't remember who. But when I saw a meat, I was like, let's go inside. I just saw
the meat.
The meat at the door was good, so I'm like, yeah.
Let me ask you this. What do you do again? This is really good.
It's really good. We should have it in Addis.
I'm not eating that. I'm not eating it.
Who said eat?
No, I'm talking to the camera. I'm not talking to you.
This one is raw. Yeah. But it's a good type of raw.
Yeah. At least he has admitted it's wrong. Yes, he has admitted.
We know it's wrong.
If you believe it's not raw, it's not raw.
It's a mental state.
Basically like cost cutting you.
It's half cooked.
It's really hot.
How is it? Delicate. Very delicate.
It's cooked. I give it a very good vibe.
Give it a review. Say something.
Say
Say something. You want to say something? Say it now.
Say no.
How is it?
It's good.
The last, this is the last part.
The last part is good.
I know the owner.
Give me some coffee.
I'll give you when we are like done. It's fine.
Yeah, it's good.
And it's cooked.
The down part.
Yeah.
Does it taste like mincemeat or?
It's cooked, you guys. This is like... for me, I don't like this part, to be honest. That's why I'm also thinking... Yeah.
For your...
Be honest, be honest.
Say something.
It's good, no?
That's good. Tastes like meat.
Yes, it's meat.
I don't know why people say scared.
I know, where do you get so serious?
Don't worry, I have a spare one.
No, the other side.
No, you throw it after. You just throw it. You just throw it. Fuck it. Just like the one and I wash.
Yeah, exactly.
Round 4.
Round 4.
Round 4.
I'm like, what? Now I'm feeling funny.
I was gonna get up and leave. I'm like, fuck. This nigga's trying to kill me. You can take this aside. I'm sorry.
Leila, inside your salad, it's correct. We have
Cola.
What's cooler?
Cola is dick.
Wait, what?
Yeah, they're both dick.
the worst way possible.
They both
Cola is worse than jelly.
right? Yeah.
Cooler is it.
Yeah, and then this Kenyan guy was like, eat, kula. I'm like, yo.
You're like maybe later. Maybe later.
It's very offensive. And kula is more offensive than jala.
What real?
Like when you say it, it's more offensive. You know, like it's more dirtier.
It's
the
penis,
same
like
thing.
saying penis and dick.
Yeah, basically.
So what if we should say it now?
Huh? We all shouted it for
More fire.
maybe somewhere in your life.
You better finish this. Send that money to me, I'll change my life. Not even come to honestly.
Oh, Kono, it's literally cool.
It is.
But I look cute.
Put us in the vlog, right?
I'm trying to see how.
Put us in the vlog.
Do I look cute? Is it okay?
Wow.
I know. Don't put it on video. Don't put it on video. Yeah, I'm doing that.
I was waiting for that dramatic shit.
I know I had to. You know, if it was a beer, though, I would have done it better. But yeah, here we go with the coffee.